Let's take a look at the benefits of HA, or high availability, and scalability that's in the cloud. You might have noticed that I'm in a new studio. I actually have multiple studios from which I'll be recording this course. High availability allows us to have the same resource copied or replicated to another location. Now, it could be another host within the same data center, or it could be in a completely different data center or in a different geographic region, or all three. It just depends on how much you would like to pay for how much high availability to you. So if any one of those hosts goes down, say you have a virtual machine, then you'll be able to continue running on one of the other copies. Now, vertical scaling is something that you definitely want to know about, because you're going to want to know the difference between vertical scaling and horizontal scaling for your AZ-900 exam. Vertical scaling is going to allow us to vertically scale, say, a virtual machine where we add more resources. So for instance, let's say we need more RAM, we're running out of RAM. Let's say that we need more virtual CPUs and possibly faster storage or more storage. That's called vertically scaling, because you're scaling up the original resource, in this case a virtual machine. Now let's talk about horizontal scaling. That's a little bit different. So instead of scaling up, we're scaling out. If you have a single virtual machine that's being overwhelmed with various different users accessing the virtual machine, try going horizontally. That means adding a second, a third, a fourth virtual machine. It's not adding any additional resources to the virtual machine you're using. It's just adding additional resources. You're going horizontally. And then you have disaster recovery. So let's say that some data got deleted and that data replicated to a whole bunch of different locations. Well, that's a problem, because just the fact that it's being replicated doesn't mean you can recover it. You have to have backup copies of your resources. And you can back those up online, you can back them up on premises, or both, whatever it is that you'd like to do. When that data gets deleted or it becomes unusable and then the replications are unusable, you can go ahead and recover from a backup. We have local redundant storage. So that's going to give us copies within the local area that we currently reside. So we're going to see a minimum of 3 copies spread out in the same region, but in different data centers. Then we have the geo-redundant. This is going to be spread out in separate regions. So if there's an earthquake in one region, our data is still safe in another region. I've created an Azure virtual machine, and what I'd like to do is to set up some vertical scaling. And what that means is I'm going to be able to add additional CPUs, RAM, I can even add additional hard drives as well. So once I'm in my virtual machine, I can go down to where it says availability and scale. Now I'm going to go to where it says size. I'll click on size. Take a look. The one that's highlighted, that's the one that I picked during the creation of the virtual machine. So I have 2 virtual CPUs, I have 8 gigabytes of RAM, and you can see that it's using the 4 data disks. Vertical scaling is all about increasing the resources on an existing device, such as this virtual machine, whereas horizontal scaling is all about adding additional devices, such as more virtual machines. Vertical scaling is going to be doing something as changing this from this 2 CPU setup to a 4 CPU setup, going from 8 gigabytes to 16 and 4 data disks to 8. So if I click resize here, it's going to go ahead and vertically scale my existing server. You can also see that I can choose a completely different CPU altogether if I'd like. And there's lots of different CPUs. Make sure that you have applications that are compatible with the various different CPUs before you go ahead and change, because some of these are legacy CPUs that may actually cause certain applications to not work correctly. High availability using replication of storage and scaling resources are 2 ways you can keep resources running for yourself as well as your clients.